Hello children, welcome to video classes of class 8th standard subject science. The first chapter, what is the name of the first chapter? Crop production and management. Yes. You know children, so we are all living organisms. So we are require some of the basic needs to survive. Right now, for the survival, we need important basic needs. Among that, one of is that nothing but food. Yes. Other than food, clothes, shelter. So we'll discuss later. So we'll discuss about food. How the food is going to be grown. What is the importance of agriculture or cultivation? Okay. So you know that food is very important for living organism because it provides us energy, it protects our body from disease causing agents, okay, it protects our body from falling ill, it helps in growth and development, repair of the body. These are the, because of these importance, food is important. Food is one of the basic needs. You know that living organism. So we come across plants as well as animals. Do you think animals are independent to produce the food? No, they depend upon plants. So green plants prepare the food by the process of what? Photosynthesis. Yes, we animals depend upon plants for the preparation of for the food. Okay, we are not going to prepare the food. We obtain the food from plants. Okay, so here suppose you just imagine you are hungry, you are feeling hungry. So if you thought of any food items, is it that food items will get ready as you think next moment? No, not at all. It requires some time, right? No, the same way for the production of the food, it requires some days. Yes or no? Yes, children. Here the question is rises, how the food is going to be grown by the human beings. What is the name of that process? It is called as agriculture or cultivation. Okay. Why we have to go for cultivation? Why we have to go for agriculture? You know children, agriculture provides, or by the cultivation we are going to get large amount of food. Why we have to produce large amount? Because everybody's stomach has to be fulfilled. It is very important to provide large number of population. Okay, got it children what I am telling? Cultivation helps in regular production. Okay, and also what is going to be produced, that has to be managed throughout the year. These are the important things. Why the crop production is important? Because crop production fed the stomach of large number of population and continuous production and also manage the production. Got it children? So how the crop is going to be produced? By the agriculture. What is the name of the other name of the agriculture? The other name of the agriculture is cultivation. What is cultivation? The process of production of crop. That includes various steps children. Okay. So you know that India is India is the hotspot of biodiversity. So in India, most of the people occupation is cultivation or agriculture. We depend upon the environmental conditions, okay, either for the rainfall or temperature or humidity. So this plays a very important role in growing crop or production of the food items. Okay. So next is, you know that in North India, different types of the food crops are going to be grown. in South India different types of the food crop is going to be grown. That is depends upon their food habit. Okay. So, depend upon the season. All the farmers or peasants are grow crops based upon the season, children. So, based upon the season, crops are going to be two types. One is Kharif crops, another one is Rabi crops. Kharif means the crops which are grown from June to September. So, that crops are called as rainy season crops. Okay. Whereas, the crops which are grown between the month called October to March are called as winter crops. Okay. So, for example, paddy, maize, okay, soya bean, groundnut, they are all grown in called as Kharif crops because they are all going to grown in rainy season. Okay. Whereas, wheat, gram, peas, okay, linseed. So, these are the crops are going to be grown in between the October to March. Okay. They are said to be Rabi crops, children. So, other than this, children, some of the fruits, some of the vegetables are grown throughout the year. Okay. They are irrespective of the season, they are going to be grown. Okay. So, now let us move on to the how these Rabi crops are Kharif crops are grown. There will be a certain steps, there will be certain methods has to be followed by the farmers to grow in a large production. Now, I think you are able to understand the meaning of the crops also. Okay, crops are the same kind of plants which are grown at the same place in a large amount is called as what? Crop. Okay. So, that production of the crop is called as what? Agriculture or cultivation. Okay. Based upon the function, crops are of two types based upon the season. Okay. So, Kharif as well as Rabi crops. So, now we are going to learn about different agricultural practices. Okay. Children, you might have seen the gardener. He wanted to plant some of the flowering plants or ornamental plants. What he is going to do? He will prepare the garden soil. Okay, first then he will sow the seeds. He will going to plant seedlings or small saplings. Then he will going to irrigate it. Then he will going to manure it. Okay, and time by time he will going to remove the weeds and also he will going to apply some of the pesticides to protect from the pests. Okay, and then once it is all this process over, he will going to pluck the flowers, or suppose if the fruits, he will going to pluck it. Okay, and he will going to store it. Okay, the same way during the process of cultivation, certain activities must go on. Okay, or during certain period of time, it is very necessary, it is very compulsory to go for certain activities. They are called as agricultural practices. Let us know what are the different agricultural practices which has to be followed by the farmers or peasants. Okay. So, here some of the important, not some, all the process are involved here. The first one is preparation of soil. The second one is sowing of seeds. So, during preparation of soil, he is going to use certain tools. You might have seen sickle, shovel and kurupi, hoe, okay, plow. These are the some of the instruments which are very important for the preparation of the soil. Okay, and sowing of seeds. So, sowing of seeds, you have to select a good healthy seeds because the production has to be good and the yield must enough. Right now, that is why it is important sowing. Okay, what we have to take care. Next, adding manure. So, you are going to have food to get energy to grow properly and to protect your body from falling ill, right? No, you are going to take certain very important nutrients. The same way, for a good production, what is important? The manure is important, and chemical fertilizers are also prepared. We are going to study in detail what is the meaning of manure and what is the meaning of fertilizers. Next, time to time irrigation is very important. You know children, during growth of the Kharif crop or a Rabi, during Rabi very rarely we are going to get what? Rain. But in rainy season regularly we will get, but sometimes because of the varied environment we may not get. But during the germination or during budding, what is important? Water is important. If there is no rain, then what we have to do? We have to supply the water. So that is called as what? Irrigation. And we have to protect our crops from the weeds. Yes, weeds are the plants which will grow in between the crops. They will also compete with the crops for the sunlight, for the minerals, okay, space. If they dominate over the crop plants, then the crop plants do not grow properly and we may not get expected yield. That's why it is very important to remove the weeds from the crops, okay. Next is, even the crops has to be protected from the pest, okay. For example, butterflies or rodents, okay, they may eat up the tender leaves or tender parts of the plants. Then also we are not going to get expected yield. That's why the crops has to be protected from pests. Next is harvesting. Once the plants is matured, okay, the food has to be harvested from the plants, otherwise it may fall to the field itself field, okay, then it will get wasted, it is not going to be used, okay. So that's why in time the harvesting is very important, okay, otherwise the quality of the food is not going to be maintained. So next is about the storage. Yes, what is the food which we are harvested, that has to be cleaned and stored, because that has to be supplied for throughout the year and it is supplied to the large number of population. Hence storage is very important. During storage we have to take care of the maintenance of the nutrients of the food items, otherwise no use of storage of the food, okay. So in the next video class we are going to study in detail about the preparation of soil as well as sowing, children. So till there you have to practice the meaning of crop and different types of the seasonal crops and example for that, and different basic practices which are involved in cultivation, okay. Thank you, children.